Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Fishing Tackle channel. I wanted to show you how to easily make this simple um, teaser for your flounder fishing. You don't need a lot. All you need are any of the jig head, preferably one of these wide gap hooks. But if you just want to use a J hook, that works. Get one of these. This one is called Harmony Modular Skirt, umbrella style. You get one of those, and then lastly, you need one of these, one of those nylon cable tie, zip tie, size 3. Comes in 100 pieces. Um, just get these ready, just like that. And then pretty much you want to put it in a way that where you want. Let me see, how did I do it? The flat side on the bottom. So you just want to put it over the hook, just like this. And that's pretty much it. Then you want to put your zip tie over, set it just there, and then you just want to zip tie it in, just like that, tight. And then that's pretty much it. It could come off like this, so you want to tie it and then turn it over on this side. Um, in addition to this, what I'll probably do is with this, I'll probably put like a resin right here. So you could put epoxy, resin, or crazy glue, and then you're, and then you should be done, just like that. Let me see, it's coming apart. So pretty much it. That's what you'll get once you have tightened it. You have this jig head. Simple. You could use 1/4. This is a half ounce. You could do 1/4 ounce, 1/8 ounce, however you want to do it. But you can make a simple teaser for your flounder teaser or fluke teaser, whatever you want to call it. I do recommend wide gap. Wide gap is always good because of the shape of the mouth of a flounder. So you could put different kind of. You could double up if you want on the skirt. You could put different kind of skirt, so it gives you a lot more option. You could get any kind of jigs. This one specifically is from this OJYD do whatever it is. You could buy it on Amazon. They have many types of jig heads, as you can see, and you could build your own little teaser however you want it. Hope this helps, and I'll talk to you guys later.